Now the rebuilding starts in this area. It's estimated that 100,000 homes took on water. The shelters are full. I'm going to leave some donation links in the description box. People need underwear, socks, toiletries, and unfortunately the sharks are going to come out. Landlords are going to try to profit. Contractors. It's sad, but that's reality. Everyone needs to be careful. The death toll is up to 11. Look at the disaster. This subdivision was totally under. Everybody's starting to pull out the carpet and throw out the furniture. It's devastating. I talked to this dude yesterday that lost everything, and he's back at work. He said if he didn't go back to work, he'd probably go crazy. But a lot of these people, you can see it on their faces. They look like, well, you can just tell that they've lost it. And the rain came in when we were talking, and you could just see the psychological effect it had on him. I mean, how much can one person take? Lose everything. Photo albums. That's probably more important than everything else. I hope everybody that's tearing out sheetrock and carpet, and when they start washing with bleach, I hope they know not to mix bleach with anything. I didn't know it for a while, but it will create toxic fumes.